Welcome to the live stream. Today we have a lot more energy. We're more active. I'm not going to be sitting here on my phone. Let's see what's going on with the market. I have to do my analysis still. I got the new look on the streams now. On the top here, you see all that money and stuff, or the dollar signs. It's going to be, when I go into position, you'll see the P&L be jumping around, just so it's more stimming. What else? Because before I only had it on close P&L. And let me think here. Let me get my journal ready. Then that's it. It's time for me to do my entire analysis, top to bottom. If you are in the mentorship, then you already know exactly what I'm going to do right now. Sorry, I have somebody hitting my doorbell. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's fix my higher time frames right here. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Someone's at my door. Who is that? Oh. I'm sorry. Just let me check real quick. Oh, I think he's just leaving something at the door. Oh yeah, it's just the city. Okay. Sorry. Still human being, still human being. Okay. Let me do what I gotta do here. Let's do my higher time frame real quick. Okay, okay. I don't even want to get rid of these zones because they're still holding. Oh, obviously that one didn't hold. Oh, it did. What a coincidence. Okay, never mind. I'll leave that. I clearly see something here that just got created right now. I'm gonna do this. Let's make this red. Okay. Just keep an eye on this. Oops. Let me change a few things too. Okay, okay. Everything's looking solid right now. Let me do a zone to the downside. Oh, already did that. There's another zone here. Okay, okay. All right, let me do my initial bullets. Okay, 8:30 is where? Okay. Alrighty. Everything's looking good so far. Let's get this text to be bigger too. Yeah. Yeah. There it goes. Okay, I gotta get my lowest and highest zone. And then make the screen. And then, ooh, I see something. Dude, we're just in a bunch of mess. Okay, let me, I didn't know it's worth marking out. Okay, I'll mark it out. Let's not be ignorant here. Okay. So typically, we don't really have a jumble of mess like this. But since we do, we just need to be more cautious on the session. Okay, and then what is going on with this here? Okay. So just watch this 15-minute time frame. Okay, let me do my London. I forgot to do that thing and I'm done. Just get all situated. I wonder if that's Peter, and if it is, hello, good sir. I love seeing you here. 3 to 8. 3 to 8 o'clock. Oh, that's tough. It literally got made in 1 week. Okay. Okay, we're like, I just made a big old jumble of mess on my charts. I'm trying to make it as clean as possible. This becomes irrelevant. Let's get rid of this here. Okay. It's as clean as I can make it. I'll give you my quick analysis if you do want to know. There is a 15-minute time frame zone right here that just got created. We're trying to respect it. There's also a green zone within that drop that I have marked out right here that has 50% initial balance inside of it. We're rejecting the initial balance zone below, so we might break through this and continue bullish. But my theory is that we have all this resistance up here. I think we're gonna reject and come down. And we do have a clean 15-minute zone below. It's not far away, so we might come in, mitigate the zone. We'll see what happens. We're ready for anything to happen. If we do move forward and move up, I'll be very worried about getting in a bullish play, and so I'm very confident we are bullish. Simple as that. Okay. So the zone's being like super respected, this green zone. I'm really expecting it to hold and deliver and whatnot. It even has like taps with multiple breaker structures, and I love that. Because even here, like, we broke structure, tapped again, broke structure, tapped again, and broke structure. London line is also in here too. It's really rare when I find a situation where I have two resistant lines. Guess we'll see what happens. It is funny that we're just making lines on a chart here in these little drawings. Oh, let me post on all the socials and everything that I'm live. I wanted to wait to do it. I wanted to do my whole analysis first, so I can gauge what's going on or understand direction. That's basically what I'm doing. The last bit. Everyone, I am live. If there is anything do not understand, okay. Yippee. Okay. I also gotta put the link on the social medias. So we'll do that right now. We rejected the zones, London line. I wonder where 40% was at. Main. Oh, no, not even close. Not even close. Let's make this. Okay. Do I see anything at all? No. Nothing. Oh, I see something. It's very counter trend though, because I don't know if we're bullish or bearish just yet. Which makes more sense is, yeah, that makes 10 times more sense. But I think it already got mitigated, huh? No, not yet. Let's see here. Yeah, technically it did. Let's see, the body close didn't happen yet. Let's see where the body close happened. Mm, 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 I might take this. Let's see. So I'm still convinced that we're gonna come fill this. Let's see. Let's put my create new order. Wow, wow. Oh, I have to do 2 and 2 because the Bullnox issue. You know what? Actually, 2 is honestly good enough. Safe amount to bet. I want to do 2 more. How much drawdown do I have available? 400, 800. I might just do it. Let's see. Because I have... Yeah, I might just do it. I didn't realize how much I had. I think I like... And dude, Michael, love seeing you. I haven't seen you in a while. I like ended on a loss. It was yesterday or 2 days ago. And then I ended up just... Or no, yesterday was a win. I think the day before they ended a loss. But I ended up making up for the loss. Like I was only down like $200 or something instead of like the 600. And the day after that, I think it just made up everything. I hope you're okay, Mr. Michael. I hope you're doing good. I'm gonna add 2 more here. Stop loss. Okay. Surprised that didn't give me issue. Yes, bro. Not been too active on socials. That's good though. You don't want to be consumed in social media. But good to see you're still active and cooking. Thank you, good sir. I hope you are too. It's tough out here. Good morning, Peter. Good afternoon, Peter. Hope the kids are okay. The partner's okay. Your mentality's in check. We're staying solid. You're showing up for London still, I assume. I might take my order off on this. I need a tap before entering. I do not like how we're floating. Oops. Okay. I'm liking this. Some pullbacks before we enter. It's pretty solid. I still want to tap. If I don't get a tap, I'm ripping this order off. Because technically it's counter trend. I haven't confirmed bearish or bullish just yet. But the 1 minute tells me we're going up. And we still haven't mitigated that big zone above. So I'm expecting us to come back and fill it. And you know what? If that's the case, if I'm just so confident in my theory, then I'll move one of my TPs higher also. There's a tap. Okay, I'm okay with the loss now. Tap was very clear. Is this sweep proper? Yes, it is. Tap was clear. Yeah. We enter the position. And like I said, we take a loss, we take a loss. Oh. Let's see if we can for the higher TP. I want to move this to break even, but nah, I'll leave it as my stop. If I'm so confident in my theory, I'll leave it. Where's the eternal swing? It's more right here. There it is. Let's see if we hit our eternal swing. Oh, I'm scared. I want to rip it off. I don't like that. Typically, for higher RR, we do get a pullback. So I just need to be patient. But that would suck if it doesn't hit. Yay, eternal swing hit. Well, that was a fast session. Just do what I do and try to stay confident with what my thesis was and not take action on my emotions. Let me journal this. Well, that's it. Now we're done. Okay, let me do all this. Let me get a picture here and document it because I've been making a bad habit not documenting these trades. It hurts me in the long run when I don't document stuff because then I have to end up doing all this extra work to get the data that I could have just got done when I was here. Okay. Followed my, yes man, what done? Followed my rules, did what I needed to do. Wasn't super clear about direction, but still confident. Thank you, Michael, and I'll go over the trade with y'all right now, and hopefully I can gain some insight. Okay, I am curious how much the funded made. Not bad, like 200 bucks, pretty badass. And the Tradeify only needs, the Tradeify is about halfway to passing because I made $1,000 on it. But I could have taken a loss and been down $1,000. We're playing a game of probabilities here. And also too, you know how I mentioned I didn't want to move my stop because we typically get a pullback before we pull up? That's exactly what happened. We got the pullback before coming up. I ideally wanted to target 50% here, but there's so much resistance and I'm scared that we're going to continue going bearish. I didn't want to throw my P&L and profits away. So I tried to be as mature and like in tune as I could be, and like how much I can handle emotionally. Okay, so let's go over the trade here. Okay, so at around like 8:30ish, I came to look at the charts. I created some 15-minute zones here, and we came and we filled it out. Then we dumped, almost immediately filling out this 15-minute zone. I then spotted this zone, this swing high, this swing low. So I drew it out, and as you can see, we've been respecting it. But when this drop happened, this huge black candle, a 5-second zone was formed in that area. So this green zone, so I made this green zone. And we come over here, we've been respecting the green zone. We've been respecting this 15-minute red zone. We had lots of resistance. Also in this green zone, we had 50% of initial balance and this blue London line. I'm gonna pause real quick. I just went long too. Hopefully I'll join you on the win. Yeah, I'm already at my position. But do what you think is best. And so my theory was that we're either gonna tap the zone or come fill 50% of this green zone. So I started to feel unsure, a bit inky. So I just went for the NNT plus, just going for the eternal swing that was right here. So I stayed patient. I wanted to move my stop to break even because I didn't want to end the day at break even or on a loss. I knew better, and I also know and understand that sometimes we get a pullback before going for that higher RR, and thankfully it got hit immediately. But in this situation, you can see that we pulled back and then came for the higher RR. It would have been more. I was also saying too, like, since I am speaking about all this, and I should put my words into play and take action and go for the higher RR since I have all these hypotheses. And I should have honestly, instead of going for the eternal swing, I should have gone for the tap on the zone. That would have been more mature and more adult for me things to do, or even just like one contract. But I think that's it. And we can also argue that this was counter trend because there's no confirmation that we're fully bullish just yet. My only confirmation was that we're going to come and mitigate the zone because we have yet to mitigate it. I think that was it. Hopefully I wasn't all over the place and you were able to understand what I was putting down. And yeah, I'm more than confident too that we're going to hold this zone and we're going to come mitigate this green zone, and then we might dump after the green zone gets mitigated. All this is theory, hypothesis. A million things can happen. Just for some reason, I'm pretty good at predicting what's going to happen, but it's because the same things happen again and again. We're watching people trade, people press buy and sell, people are predictable, makes the candles predictable. That is a session. If I want me to backtest, I can. I might just hop off. I feel like there's not much more for me to do. Yeah. Let me think here. I don't want to take any more trades. I want to stop at one trade a day. But okay then. I guess I'll sign off. Let me write some stuff down real quick. And then I'll fill the journal out with you. So let's put mental clarity. I've talked about how to, like, recently I've been prioritizing new name over trading. Do you just do one a day now? Yeah. So was doing 3 trades, like, or 2 losses, and then I recently cut down to just one a day now. I, I the whole reason was, I was just about to talk about it, is that I was prioritizing new name over trading, and I made it very clear to myself that I didn't want to do that. I've been doing this, been taking action, been working on this new name thing, and then if I came to reality, like, I need to put new name over trading because this is a new journey. I needed to learn how to even, like, just communicate with people better, and content, like, just everything in general. It's all new to me. So it's affecting my trading a lot. I wasn't performing as well as I could be. I just, like, wasn't as in tune with my emotions. And the adult thing should have been was taking a step back and getting everything situated and systemized before I started trading again. But I just went through the grunt work, went through it all. It's a bittersweet because I'm just getting better at live streaming, getting better at communicating, getting better at helping others, and getting more in tune with my emotions. So I finally just accepted that I need to prioritize new name over trading right now. So I stick to 1 trade a day, and I'm just going to continue passing these accounts with 1 trade. And instead of doing smaller size, more trades, I'll do bigger size, less trade. More mental clarity for me also. And yeah, I hope I gave a deep enough answer. Just trying to do what works best for me. And I do recommend 1 trade a day. If you look at your data also and see your P&L from your first 3 trades, like, if you go through all the past and look at your first 3 trades and then get your P&L total and do the same thing for 2 trades and the same thing for 1 trade, you can clearly see your performance and how you perform, or even if your performance does worse after your first trade, if you have the data. But alrighty, let me finish this journal up and then I'll hop off. So my P&L, I want to say it was about like 1.5 R. Hold on, let's double check here. Oops. Let me just check the risk to reward ratio so we can be sure. Chicka chicka wow wow. It was, so 98 plus internal swings right here. Oh, that is scary. Look at that, we just dumped from up here. So my P&L is about like 1.5-ish. Okay, so let me write that. Do I have a 1.5 here? I thought I did. Oh, I guess I don't. 1.5 R. Risk per trade, 5 contracts. I think I used 4 contracts actually. Was driving, but good trade you did. Thank you, Peter. If you do rewind it, I talked about everything I saw and, like, why I took it, or maybe you heard me yapping. Yapping just means blabbering, talking. But I talked about, like, exactly, and, like, even how I thought it was also somewhat counter trend. And here's proof that it was counter trend, because look at this dump. I'm assuming that the zone finally got mitigated, which I was hoping for. Let's see where 40% is at too. We can find out. Yeah, it's close enough. Okay, it's a bit alone there. Let's go back to the journal. Manage DD. Oh, also thank you so much for showing up, all of y'all. I do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Manage DD means that I managed my drawdown. Yes, I did. My mentality was super equilibrium. Not any of these because I was able to intune my emotions. Morning session only, and my 1 trade. And then I've been hearing you all the way. Badass. Hopefully you gain some insight. Let me write this down. Oh, I also wrote down earlier too. It was a bit personal, but I just wrote, like, very, very, very clear. If I wake up and go to the gym and do my full workout, I have way more mental clarity. And even if I am super, super tired, because there's times where I've gone to the gym early and I'm just dead tired and I half-ass my workout, and I come to the screens, and if I'm half-assing my life, I'm gonna half-ass on the screens. It's just the truth. So I'm writing it down, be aware of it. At the end of the week, I can reevaluate and do better, because I want to continue living the life I live and being at this quote unquote high status, just like money and whatnot. and mentality, like with myself, because I don't want to be all going back to being depressed and emo, sad, broke. Okay, anyways, followed my rules that I needed to do. Wasn't super clear about direction. Still confident. Oh, I need to write my comments. Keep doing what you're doing. Showing up. All right, peeps. I think that's it. Oh, I need to do the little green. Okay. I appreciate all of y'all. I'm gonna hop off now. Make sure you check news. If y'all want that website, I can give it to y'all real quick. It's really cool. If you want to check news, I'll put it in the chat. Okay, it's in the chat now. But okay, I have a hard time leaving y'all. Thank y'all so much once again. And losses due to only probability and no emotions. Wake up every day, be positive, love everybody around you. There's no need to consistently intake malice before incompetence. Always take incompetence before malice. Be a positive person, love yourself, love others. All right, just be an adult. All right, I'll T2YL. I don't stop talking. I'll miss y'all. I gotta hop off of here. I think I'm gonna go for a walk. I appreciate y'all, and best of luck. And I do truly love y'all because y'all give me support. See you later, Peter. And see you later, Michael. And the ones who haven't said hi. Oh, leave me a like. Please leave me a like. Okay, thank y'all. Okay, bye.